So, you want to be a Bitcoin bazillionaire? Well, who wouldn't? The allure of digital gold has captured the imagination of millions around the globe. Let's face it, folks. We've all dreamt of waking up, checking our phones, and seeing enough digits in our crypto wallets to make Elon Musk blush. The idea of financial freedom, of breaking away from the traditional banking system, is intoxicating. But unless you've got a time machine or a spare supercomputer gathering dust in your basement, Bitcoin riches might seem about as likely as finding a unicorn riding a Segway. The early days of Bitcoin mining, where you could strike it rich with just a bit of technical know-how and a lot of luck, are long gone. Well, hold on to your hats, because the future is here, and it's brought a friend: artificial intelligence. This isn't just some sci-fi fantasy. AI is revolutionizing industries left and right, and the world of cryptocurrency is no exception. That's right, AI isn't just for self-driving cars and creepy targeted ads anymore. It's becoming an integral part of our daily lives, from virtual assistants that manage our schedules to algorithms that recommend what we should watch next on streaming platforms. It's here to shake up the crypto game and maybe, just maybe, turn you into the Bitcoin baron you always knew you could be. Imagine having an AI that can predict market trends, analyze trading patterns, and execute transactions faster than any human ever could. Now, before you start picturing a Terminator-style robot raiding the blockchain, let's break it down. AI in the crypto world is more about enhancing your capabilities rather than replacing you. AI, in this case, is less about killer robots and more about clever algorithms. These algorithms are designed to process vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and make predictions with a level of accuracy that would be impossible for a human to achieve on their own. These algorithms can analyze mountains of data faster than you can say blockchain, and they're here to lend a helping hand, or should we say a helping algorithm, to your crypto journey. They can sift through historical data, monitor real-time market conditions, and even learn from their own mistakes to improve over time. So, buckle up, Buttercup, because we're about to dive into the wild world of AI and cryptocurrency. It's a roller coaster ride of highs and lows, but with the right tools and knowledge, you can navigate the twists and turns with confidence. By the end of this, you'll be trading like Warren Buffett on a caffeine bender. And who knows, you might even be able to afford that solid gold yacht you've always wanted. The journey to becoming a Bitcoin bazillionaire is filled with challenges, but with AI by your side, the possibilities are endless. So, are you ready to take the plunge and embrace the future of cryptocurrency trading? Remember those old sci-fi movies where robots took over the world? They were always depicted as these unstoppable forces with their cold, calculating logic and superior strength. It was both thrilling and terrifying to imagine a world where machines ruled over humans. Well, good news and bad news. The good news is, we haven't reached that dystopian future where robots dominate every aspect of our lives. The bad news, however, is that in the world of cryptocurrency, robots are indeed making their presence felt. Good news, they haven't done that yet, but they are becoming an integral part of the trading ecosystem. These AI-driven bots are revolutionizing the way we trade, making it more efficient and potentially more profitable. Bad news, they're taking over your crypto portfolio. But don't worry, this isn't a hostile takeover. In fact, it's more like having a highly skilled assistant who can handle the complexities of the market for you. But relax, it's a good thing. These AI trading bots are designed to help you navigate the volatile world of cryptocurrencies with ease and precision. We're talking about AI trading bots, the Wall Street wizards of the digital age. These sophisticated programs are capable of analyzing vast amounts of data in real time, making split-second decisions that can mean the difference between profit and loss. These bots are basically computer programs that buy and sell cryptocurrencies automatically based on, you guessed it, AI. They use complex algorithms to predict market movements and execute trades with precision. They analyze market trends, news, even social media chatter, all in the blink of an eye. Imagine trying to keep up with every tweet, news article, and market fluctuation on your own. It's nearly impossible for a human, but for an AI bot, it's a piece of cake. Think of it like this: you're trying to catch a fly in a room full of buzzing insects. The chaos and noise make it incredibly difficult to focus on just one target. You're swatting blindly, probably getting frustrated. This is what it's like trying to trade in a highly volatile market without any assistance. An AI trading bot is like a spider with 8 eyes and lightning-fast reflexes. It can see everything happening in the market simultaneously and react instantly to capitalize on opportunities. It sees everything, reacts instantly, and catches those sweet crypto gains before you can even say, buy low, sell high. But wait, there's more. These bots can also help you manage risk by setting stop-loss orders and diversifying your portfolio. These bots aren't just for seasoned traders with nerves of steel. Even if you're a beginner, you can benefit from using an AI trading bot. There are tons of user-friendly platforms out there that let you set up your own bot with just a few clicks. You don't need to be a tech genius to get started. You tell it what to look for, how much to risk, and boom, you've got your own personal crypto trading assistant working 24/7. It's like having a dedicated team of analysts working around the clock just for you. It's like having a stockbroker who never sleeps, never takes a vacation, and only charges a tiny fee. This means you can take advantage of market opportunities at any time, day or night. Just try not to get too intimidated when your bot starts making smarter trades than you. Embrace the technology, learn from it, and let it guide you to better trading decisions. After all, in the fast-paced world of cryptocurrency, having a reliable sidekick can make all the difference. Alright, let's talk mining. No, not the kind with pickaxes and hard hats, though that would be a great workout. We're talking about cryptocurrency mining, the process of verifying transactions and adding them to the blockchain. This digital gold rush has captivated tech enthusiasts and investors alike, promising lucrative returns for those who can crack the code. It's the backbone of the whole system, and it used to require a room full of computers guzzling electricity like it was going out of style. These mining rigs would generate so much heat that cooling them down became a challenge in itself. But guess what? AI is here to make mining more efficient and, dare we say, even a little bit eco-friendly. With AI, we can now manage resources better, reducing the carbon footprint of these energy-hungry operations. AI algorithms can optimize everything from cooling systems to the selection of mining pools, squeezing every last drop of performance out of your hardware. This means less wasted energy and more coins in your digital wallet. Imagine trying to find a needle in a haystack the size of Texas. The sheer volume of data and transactions in cryptocurrency mining can feel overwhelming. That's what traditional mining can feel like. The inefficiencies and the trial and error approach can be exhausting and time-consuming. Now imagine having an AI that can pinpoint the exact location of the needle, down to the centimeter. AI can analyze vast amounts of data in seconds, identifying the most profitable opportunities with laser precision. That's the power of AI mining optimization. It's like having a supercomputer dedicated to making your mining operations as efficient as possible. It's like having a personal assistant who knows exactly how to tweak your mining rig for maximum profit, all while keeping your electricity bill from looking like a phone number. This assistant works tirelessly, 24/7, ensuring that your mining setup is always running at peak performance. So, if you're serious about mining, AI is the secret weapon you need in your arsenal. It's not just about staying competitive. It's about leading the charge in a rapidly evolving digital landscape. With AI, you can mine smarter, not harder, and pave the way for a more sustainable and profitable future in the world of cryptocurrency. Okay, let's address the elephant in the room. Can AI actually predict the future of cryptocurrency? Well, no, not with 100% certainty. If it could, we'd all be lounging on our yachts by now, sipping Mai Tais and counting our Bitcoin billions. However, while AI can't tell you exactly when Bitcoin will hit $1 million, though we can dream, it can analyze market trends, news sentiment, and social media buzz with an accuracy that would make Nostradamus look like an amateur. Think of it like this. You're trying to predict the weather by sticking your head out the window. You might get lucky sometimes, but you're mostly going to end up wet and confused. AI, on the other hand, is like having a supercomputer analyzing years of meteorological data, satellite imagery, and even the flapping of butterfly wings in the Amazon. It's not about seeing the future, it's about understanding the present with superhuman clarity. And that, my friends, is a powerful tool to have in the volatile and unpredictable world of cryptocurrency. If you found this guide helpful and want to stay ahead in the crypto game, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell. Stay tuned for more insights and tips.